Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to cook some steak tips. I had a ribeye steak, one ribeye steak I cut up into cubes to make tips, okay? And we're going to be doing that in the air fryer oven. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is one ribeye steak that I cut up into cubes to make tips, okay? Alright, so we're going to be putting this in the air fryer oven. Let me adjust this so you can see the air fryer oven. There we go. Okay, so we're going to put that in. I have it in a 9-inch cake pan. And let's go 370 because it's small pieces. And 10 minutes. No, 8 minutes. It doesn't take 10 because I don't really have that much. It's just one steak. Okay, here we go. 370 temperature, 8 minutes is the time, and we'll be back in 8. Thank you. Okay, so our 8 minutes have stopped. Let's take a look at our ribeye tips. Looks good. Let's take a temperature. Okay, we're at 154. So we really just need another minute, but I think we're good at 154. That would be like a medium rare. I'm okay with that. So let me plate up and show you them, alright? 1 second. Okay, here we go. Ribeye tips. How about that, huh? 8 minutes. Now, you know the smaller you cut them up, the shorter the time period. But this size is okay. 8 minutes is good. Let me take a taste. And let me get in the picture. There we go. Ribeye tips. Okay, let me take a taste. Good. Tender. Very tender. Okay, I'm going to finish chewing this and I want to give you the word of the day, okay? Thank you. Hold on. Okay, so the word of the day is watch your cash. Yes, watch your cash. Because of the economy where we have the purchases that may be going up due to the war on, not the war, but the terrorist situation where our president is saying that China needs to pay more and the imported items, and not just China but other places, other countries. And so all the prices are going up. They're going up on your clothing, your bedding, your food. Everything is going up, okay? And so watch your cash because you're going to have to spend more. So think about what you're spending so that you can have it when the time comes, okay? That's the word of the day. And I thank you for stopping by. If you like the video, hit the like button. And I'll see you next time, okay? Check out the links below and subscribe. Bye-bye.